Hello and welcome back to Apo Cafe. Marking a historical development, India has recently tested the long-range Agni 5 missile from the APJ Abdul Kalam Island in Odisha. Agni 5 is an Indian nuclear-capable intercontinental ballistic missile developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. The missile is a surface-to-surface ballistic missile and considered to be a game-changer for India as it is capable of destroying its target up to 5,000 kilometers away. This successful test of state-of-the-art Agni 5 missile is in line with India's stated policy to have a credible minimum deterrence and undoubtedly termed as a significant step towards boosting the nuclear deterrence against China. The Agni 5 missile is inducted straight into the Strategic Forces Command and is a sigh of relief for India, as no missile in the Indian nuclear arsenal has a range to strike down target deep inside China. Agni 5 missile uses a 3-stage solid-fueled engine and is capable of striking target at range up to 5,000 km with a high degree of precision. The missile has been tested multiple times in the past 10 years after its maiden flight. The latest test was conducted at a time when India and China locked in a border standoff in the Ladakh sector. And there is a grave threat from the People Liberation Army as they have scaled up military activities in the eastern sector, including Arunachal Pradesh. India undoubtedly has the capability to carry out nuclear strikes with fighter jets, land-launched missiles, and from the sea using nuclear submarines. The Agni 5 series of ballistic missiles and warplanes such as Rafales, Sukhoi 30 MKI, and Mirage 2000s can deliver nuclear warheads at extendable ranges. The 6,000 tons INS Arihant submarine is armed with 12 B-05 submarine-launched ballistic missiles capable of delivering nuclear warheads up to 750 kilometers away in the enemy's region. India is also developing latest ultra-modern weapons that can travel 6 times faster than the speed of sound and can easily penetrate any missile defense system. In September 2021, DRDO carried out a successful flight test of the hypersonic technology demonstrator vehicle from the Odisha coast. As of now, only the United States, Russia and China have developed technologies to launch fast maneuvering hypersonic missiles that can fly at lower altitudes and are extremely hard to track and intercept. If you like this video, hit on subscribe, and in case you have more information to add in this story, comment section is for you guys.